Hi, welcome to Home Chef Mark. I am Mark and today I'm gonna show you how to cook a beef carpaccio by using this beef hammer. The ingredients that you need are 800 grams of beef tenderloin, some olive oil, 1 lemon, 20 grams of aioli mayonnaise, 15 grams parmesan, 10 grams of pine nuts, some rocket, and for decoration chili and onion. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Place the beef on a baking sheet and turn the other half of the baking sheet on top of the beef. Start hammering beef until it's about 1.5 millimeters thick. Sliced lemon, place the beef back on the chopping board. Add some olive oil, add some lemon juice, salt and pepper, then add the aioli, add the parmesan, add the pine nuts and the rocket. Roll the beef like you are rolling a sushi roll. Now it's time to cut it in pieces. Now add the aioli on the plate. Then add the rocket and add the 4 pieces of the rolled beef. Add the pine nuts. Slice the chili and the onion. Add the aioli on top of the beef. Add the chili and the onion. And if you have some herbs, in my case I'm using baby basil. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any comments, leave it in the area here below. Remember to subscribe to Home Chef Mark if you want to see awesome recipes like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you very soon. Ciao!